Stop. Have you also been using these pronunciations wrong throughout your life? Let's fix them in just next 30 seconds. The first word is mischievous. We have always spoken as mischievous, but it is mischievous. Mischievous. Second word is pronunciation. We have always spoke it pronunciation, but it is pronunciation. Pronunciation. The third word, espresso. It's not espresso, it's espresso. Espresso. And the fourth most common misspelled word is February. It's not February or February, it's February. February. Now, no more awkwardness in the public. Just be confident, practice these words 3 times, and speak like a native speaker.